Florida has once again broken its own record for the number of people mentally evaluated involuntarily under the state's Baker Act. In May, investigative reporter Karla Ray first exposed that child Baker Acts have more than doubled in Florida during the last 15 years. Karla joins us live in studio. Karla, the trend doesn't seem to be letting up.
During the 17-18 fiscal year, there was a 10% increase in the number of children being mentally evaluated from the prior year. And that's before new mental health funding made it into public schools after the Parkland shooting. So experts are expecting these numbers to continue to climb. A Seminole County mother told 9 Investigates after years of acting out in school and threatening her family at home, her 11-year-old daughter has finally been placed in a residential mental health treatment facility, but only after she was involuntarily evaluated under the state's Baker Act more than 20 times.
The first year that she was in the Baker Act facility, she would literally get out, start punching us, threaten to kill herself, and turn around and go back the same day.
A person can only be monitored under a Baker Act for a maximum of 72 hours at a time. The total number of those child evaluations jumped to more than 36,000 in the 2017-2018 fiscal year, a 10% increase over the prior year's numbers, far outpacing the general population, which saw an increase of under 3%.
We have a mental health crisis in the state of Florida.
State Representative Carlos Guillermo Smith expects the numbers to continue to climb since the latest report is an evaluation of numbers prior to more mental health professionals being placed in schools after the Parkland school shooting.
You have professionals who are monitoring kids more closely, looking for red flags.
But efforts to put even more counselors in schools and create more residential treatment beds for children were shot down in Tallahassee this year.
We need to make a tremendous investment for the sake of our kids.
Now, a state task force took a hard look at this trend 2 years ago, noting that Florida consistently ranks last or second to last in funding for mental health. Next year's report will be the one to show whether the focus on mental health in schools will make any real difference in the numbers. In studio, Karla Ray, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.